Hold this. Holy crap! This is cool.
It's like gliding.
I told him, wouldn't that be cool though if it was windy like this and it was snowing? Can you imagine what it'd be like?
It'd be
like
white.
This?
Yeah,
it'd be pure white.
We wouldn't even be able to see that mound of dirt.
No, it
over
would be
there.
like a complete whiteout.
You can just see all these rain curtains. Look at all them just flying. We may
I
have
don't
to,
want to get wet.
yeah, I think we might have to go in a little bit because the winds are gonna start shifting maybe. I know. Listen to that. You can hear the wind going through the trees down there. Look at those trees. Holy cow. Wow. You hear that?
Yeah.
Holy crap. Uh-oh. Whoa!
Whoa!
Dude! Are you hearing that?
Yeah.
Oh my word, look at all those leaves! Whoa!
There was a lot of crackling.
Holy crap! That sounded like we were going through a tornado!
We have debris.
We do.
We have debris.
Whoa, there goes that tree over there. Ah, you missed it. I saw a tree branch whoosh, all the way down.
As long as we don't see a cow, we're fine.
As long as we don't see things twisting, we're fine. Whoa!
That was serious.
Here comes the rain. Whoa! Now it's raining. Look at the rain curtains. Look at that.
Oh yeah.
Holy
Nice.
crap! I am never getting rid of this videotape. Are you kidding me?
I hope you got that crackling.
I did. I kept it going.
No, I hope that you can hear it. Without us
my
going, holy cow!
I made sure I kept quiet too. Nah, I can't do that.
Oh man, it's lighting up.
Well, the sky is. You can still hear the wind though.
Yeah.
Oh my word, I cannot get that sound of all that crackling
know.
out of my head.
I know. I thought it was thunder at first, but it just kept going.
I know, and I'm like, that's trees. Those are trees. Wow, it's really lighting up quick. Ah!
Now we're getting it back.
Yeah. This is where it can get really...
What's that?
Where? Well, that looks like remnants from a tornado, though.
It does.
Ah. That really looks like it's a... Ugh. I wish it wasn't raining.
What is that? Oh, maybe not.
No, it's not. It's not really all that. Dude, it's still raining. What'd you do?
I don't know. All of a sudden it went bonkers.
Just hit the lock button on the side. On the side right here. There. Look at all those rain curtains again up there. They just keep
It
going.
just did something again.
It's probably NFL. The NFL app.
Oh, great. It's probably.
Whoa! Whoa!
Did you get that?
I did on the side.
That was sweet.
We've been sitting out here through the entire thing.
We heard trees cracking.
Really?
Yeah.
Yes, it was awesome.
And I got it on tape.
It was so cool.
They said that there's a gas leak over in South Bend on in River Park.
Uh-oh.
Oh, that's not good.
There's a tree down.
Oh, I wonder if a tree ripped up the gas line.
Probably uprooted it.
Yeah, look what it looks like on the camera. Yeah.
Okay.
Chunk.